Hey guys, today we are checking out this and this is a battery operated grinder. So it's a great tool if you are working on small elements which require a lot of precision from you, and also if the location is difficult, it's a battery operated tool, so you don't need an extension cord and all those wires that are always in your way when you are trying to do something. Okay, so it's a pretty simple tool. You have just the on-off switch over here. There's a locking mechanism here to block the working head, so we can tighten and loose the mounting system. There's the battery over here, and in the box we also have this tool, which I believe is for working with wood. We have charger with European adapter, and we have this small box with different heads to use with plastic, with wood, with metal, something for polishing, something for grinding, some plates over here. So you have a lot of accessories over here. And what's else over here? There's a user manual. Okay, so let's take safety goggles and let's try to do something with it. So, as I said, the tool is very compact and comfortable to use, especially in those tight places, like when cutting a hole for a light in your trunk, in your car's trunk. I work mostly with cars, so I mostly am going to use it with plastic trims, which require some kind of modification, and sometimes you need to cut out something or make a place for new equipment. And it's battery operated, so there are no wires in your way. It works with most grinding heads, and to be honest, I've been using this brush, which is slightly smaller in diameter, so I had to modify. Let me just throw this out. I had to modify one of the heads. I believe this is the one, to have larger gaps, so it can hold the smaller diameter tool in place. So as far as this diameter goes, if you are using the same diameter tools, you are good to go. And if you want to use something smaller, you just had to modify one of the holders. Here you can see that this is a 55 watt and 20,000 RPM tool, and I have to say it's powerful enough for all my needs as far as the grinding goes. There are just two things that I don't like. The first is that there's no speed regulation. It's a basic tool and you have only the on-off switch over here, so you cannot adjust the speed. And the second thing that I don't like is the battery. It's just very hard to remove it. And I'm not sure if it's my strength that's missing or something else, but I could just modify this and this, those two locks, but I cannot do it with this because I would need a second battery to operate the device in order to modify it. But except those two things, I really like this device. If you want to buy it, you can get it on Banggood for less than $50 right now. So check out the link in the description below this video, and also there will be a little bit more of technical specification about this device over here down below the video. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this short review and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.